I got something brave yet controversial to tell you. Or actually, two things. First thing in the minute and the second one at the end of the video. So, keep watching. Now, in 2022, if you only want to, you can build yourself a 7-inch freestyle drone that flies as good, or maybe even better, in some cases, than the 5-inch counterpart. Of course, not always, not for every flying style, but yeah, you can. Yeah, sure. A few years ago, 7-inch drones were flying like crap, because we had no bloody idea how to make them fly well. We kinda assumed that if we make the arms slightly longer and just slap the bigger propellers on the motors, everything will be fine. Guess what? It wasn't. Jello, vibrations and in general kinda shitty in the air performance were the norm. Now, only a few years later, it's no longer true. We learned the hard way, that if we want to have a well-flying 7-incher, we need thicker arms, stronger motors, better propellers, slightly different approach to tuning, and a lot of state-of-the-art gyro filtering. But if you do everything the right way, they fly just like that. My advice for the next flying season is build yourself a proper 7-inch freestyler, because there's a pretty good chance that you will just love it. By the way, hit the like button and consider joining my Patreon, because Patreon is the thing that allows me to be independent and do not have too much of the sponsored videos. Thanks, it means a lot, and now let's go back to the main content. That was the first thing. The second thing is that here's the next video you should watch. You see what I did over there? I'm Paweł Spychalski. Thank you very much for watching and, like always, happy flying!